Karma's a witch.
Stupid, I'm not gonna let you get the chance.
I'm a high priestess. I hold the power of the heavens in my hand, and yet he continues to defy me.
Calm yourself.
I want his annihilation, Mordred. I want to put his head on a spike, and I want to watch as the crows feast on his eyes.
This house is a fucking prison! On planet bullshit! In the galaxy of this sucks camel dicks!
When they saw my head down, they thought they had won, until they heard me say, so mote it be.
Okay, I'm bored in the house and I'm in the house bored. Bored in the house and I'm in the house bored. Bored in the motherfucker in the house bored and I'm bored in the motherfucker in the house bored. Bored in the house, bored in the house bored. Bored in the house, bored in the house bored. I'm bored in the motherfucker in the house.
Oh, look. Another glorious morning. Makes me sick.
My name, my age, my favorite color. My height, my sign, do I have a lover? What's my nationality? Here's some things that inspire me. My favorite food, my current mood, and my shoe size. Here's my favorite TV show and my spirit animal. There's much more to know that we'll cover as we grow. I'm
fine! Totally fine! I don't know why it's coming out all loud and squeaky, because really, I'm fine.
Oops, my heart went...
Lucky.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
Fuck you.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
Eat shit.
If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
Dumb cunt.
Ooh, that's good. How many fucking times do I have to tell you? I don't care!
Fall to your knees and accept me as your Lord and Savior, and I will bring you to the table as my obedient subjects.
The only way we would sit at your table is if your decapitated head were the centerpiece.
Asking a nasty, snarky question like that, you should ask a real question.
Right, that's it. That is it. I'm sick of you people. I'm leaving. I'm not spending another second in this house with you utter twats!